everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imad Khan. I hope you all are doing good. So we are learning and exploring the Salesforce admin concept. Like we are in admin series, and who are interested and very enthusiastic to learn and work in Salesforce ecosystem can get benefited from my YouTube channel and learn Salesforce concept in very easy way. So today we are going to discuss roll-up summary field in Salesforce. So roll-up summary field is in Salesforce. Summarize data of particular fields from a set of related detail records and automatically display the output on the master record. Like it is working only the master detail relationship and we can't create a roll-up summary on lookup relationship. That is one limitation of roll-up summary field. On the other hand, these can be used to display the sum, maximum and minimum and the count function. You can say that it is working on the aggregate function like sum, maximum, minimum and count function. In a related object record, these are only available to master object in master detail relationship that I have already told it is only working on master detail relationship and always create a roll-up summary field on the master object. After creating a roll-up summary field on an object, the master detail relationship cannot be converted into a lookup relationship. This is another limitation of the roll-up summary field. And the roll-up summary fields are read-only field like the formula fields. It is also although read-only. Going forward, let me just explain you with some real scenario of roll-up summary field so that you can understand better and get more clarity. So our first scenario is count the number of related opportunity record for an account using a roll-up summary. Like account and opportunity have a master detail relationship. So we have to count the number of related opportunity on per account using roll-up summary field. Let me just jump in my or create that roll-up summary field. Just logged in my Salesforce org so that I can demo you the example of roll-up summary field. Click on Object Manager. We have to create a roll-up summary field on account because account is mastered in the relationship on account and opportunity. Click on fields and relationship. Click on new. Here choose the field that is roll-up summary. You can also read the description. Let me just zoom for you. A read-only field that displays some minimum or maximum value of field in a related list or the record count of all record listed in a related list. That what I already told you. Click on next. Count opportunity. You can write the description as well as the help text also as per your requirement. Click on next. What was our requirement? Here in the summarize object, you have to put your detail object, that is our opportunity, and what you have to select the roll up type like your aggregate function. So in this we have our requirement tab. We have to count the related opportunity on account object. So click on count. Here one filter criteria is also available, like all records should be included in the calculation. Like in your database, all record you want to include. If you have other requirement like only records meeting certain criteria should be included in the calculation. If you have a criteria, like on the basis of that criteria you want to include the record while calculating the rule of summary field. You just click on next. After that, visible to all profiles. After that, just click on next. All page layouts should be selected so that you can find your role of summary field reflected on your UI. If you deselect the page layout here, click save. So our count opportunity, here you can see that our count opportunity roll up summary field is successfully created. Let me just verify for you our functionality is working fine or not. Just go to the UI, click on sales, go to the account object and select the account object in which have opportunity related record. Like you can see that here 4 opportunity record is created. Let me just click on detail. Here you can see that our roll-up summary field, that is count opportunity field, is displaying the result correctly. Let me just create a one more record for you so that you can verify our functionality is working in all cases. Just select the required field. You can see that our one record is created. Now our total opportunity record is 5. So here our field should be updated on 5 record. I can see that count opportunity is updated in real times. You can see that in our count opportunity field there is no edit button is coming because sort of summary field is only read only field. You can't edit that. I think it is very pretty much clear. If I delete one field, so it automatically comes 4. Let me just delete. Now just check one more time. Refresh. Now you can see that 4 is coming. So our roller summary field is working fine. Moving forward, our next scenario. Let me just brief. Firstly, calculate the total expected revenue from all related opportunity records for an account. Like in account, there is a one field that is expected revenue. We have to calculate the total expected revenue and display on account object. So for doing this, just go to the account object, the account, create one more fields, roll up summary field, roll up summary field, total expected revenue, total revenue, total revenue. You can also write the description and help text as per your requirement. Click on next. So here we have to use the in summarize object, that is opportunity. Here we have to use the sum function because we have to calculate the total revenue. So for this we have to use aggregate function, that is sum, on which field, that is our expected revenue. So we want to calculate the total expected revenue. Filter criteria, all the records should be included in the calculation. Click on next. After that, visible to all profile, and click on next and save the roll up summary field. Now for verifying that, just go to the UI and refresh your page. Now go to the detail page. Yeah, now you can see that total revenue field is coming, and it is calculating all the revenue and of the opportunities object. Here you can see that. Hmm. Let me just come on related view all. Here let me just select the field expected as revenue. You can see that expected revenue field here. So all the five opportunities of related opportunities of particular account will be add sum up and displayed on the account object. You can open any account field and find that total revenue. Yes, you can see that our formula field is working fine. So in this way, I have explained the multiple scenario of roll-up summary field. So that's all for this video. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe, like, comment, and share so that you can get more Salesforce related video, because I am uploading the daily videos related to the Salesforce. Thank you.